Did you know that in Malay, you don't need to conjugate verbs to express time, continuity, or even experience? Instead, Malay uses aspect markers, simple words placed before verbs that do all the heavy lifting. For example, sedang tells you an action is happening right now, while sudah shows it's already done. With just one word, you can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Stick around as we explore 10 powerful aspect markers that make Malay grammar both fascinating and efficient, and of course, easy to learn. Okay, let's get started.
Each sample sentence will be read 2 times. Progressive aspect. In Malay, the words sedang and tengah are used to indicate an action that is ongoing, similar to the English present continuous tense. Both words are interchangeable, although tengah often considered more colloquial. These markers are placed before the verb to show that the action is happening at the moment of speaking.
Saya sedang membaca buku. Saya sedang membaca buku. Mereka tengah bermain bola sepak. Mereka tengah bermain bola sepak. Kami sedang memasak di dapur. Kami sedang memasak di dapur.
Continuative aspect. The marker
masih
is used to express that an action or state is still ongoing or true, emphasizing its continuation. This is similar to the English word still. It is placed before the verb or predicate.
Dia masih tidur. Dia masih tidur. Kami masih menunggu bas. Kami masih menunggu bas. Adakah kamu masih bekerja di sana? Adakah kamu masih bekerja di sana?
Perfective aspect. The word
sudah
and
telah
indicate that an action has been completed.
Telah
is more formal and often used in written Malay, while
sudah
is common in everyday speech. They are placed before the verb.
Saya sudah makan. Saya sudah makan. Dia telah pergi ke sekolah. Dia telah pergi ke sekolah. Mereka sudah selesai dengan tugas mereka. Mereka sudah selesai dengan tugas mereka.
Recent perfective aspect. The marker
baru
is used to show that an action has just occurred, emphasizing its recency. It corresponds to just in English and is placed before the verb.
Saya baru tiba di rumah. Saya baru tiba di rumah. Dia baru membeli kereta baru. Dia baru membeli kereta baru. Kami baru selesai makan. Kami baru selesai makan.
Experiential aspect. The word
pernah
is used to indicate that an action has been experienced at least once. It is similar to the English ever or have you ever. This marker is placed before the verb.
Saya pernah pergi ke Bali. Saya pernah pergi ke Bali. Adakah kamu pernah melihat salji? Adakah kamu pernah melihat salji? Dia pernah bekerja sebagai guru. Dia pernah bekerja sebagai guru.
Prospective aspect. The word
akan
indicates future actions or events. It is equivalent to will or shall in English. It is placed before the verb to signify intention or something that will happen.
Saya akan pergi ke pasar esok. Saya akan pergi ke pasar esok. Dia akan menjadi doktor suatu hari nanti. Dia akan menjadi doktor suatu hari nanti. Kami akan berpindah ke rumah baru bulan depan. Kami akan berpindah ke rumah baru bulan depan.
Imminent aspect. The marker
bakal
is also used for future events, but with a nuance of something more certain or imminent. It is often used in more formal contexts.
Projek ini bakal disiapkan tahun depan. Projek ini bakal disiapkan tahun depan. Dia bakal menjadi pengurus baru. Dia bakal menjadi pengurus baru. Mereka bakal menerima anugerah khas. Mereka bakal menerima anugerah khas.
Negative prospective aspect. The word
belum
is used to indicate that an action has not yet occurred but is expected to happen. It is placed before the verb and translates as not yet.
Saya belum makan tengah hari. Saya belum makan tengah hari. Mereka belum pulang. Mereka belum pulang. Adakah kamu belum selesai dengan kerja itu? Adakah kamu belum selesai dengan kerja itu?
Tentative aspect. The word
Cuba.
is used to express an attempt or trial action, similar to trial in English. It is placed before the verb.
Saya cuba memasak resepi baharu. Saya cuba memasak resepi baharu. Dia cuba bercakap dalam bahasa Perancis. Dia cuba bercakap dalam bahasa Perancis. Kami cuba mempelajari tarian tradisional. Kami cuba mempelajari tarian tradisional.
And if you're interested in furthering your study of Malay or even other Asian languages, why not give Ling a try? Click the link in the description for a free trial.